Howdy there, Chris here. We're going to talk about equipment library basics in this tutorial. I'm continuing to use my Getting Started with WireCAD project, and in order for me to view the equipment library, I can get that from the database menu, I can get to it from the advanced tools menu, I can get to it from the Project Explorer button bar here or the Project Explorer menus. Okay, let's look around the user interface for the equipment library. On my left-hand side, I have my manufacturers list. This is for my global equipment database or my library. And that can be configured such that it's a SQL Server or it's a VistaDB database. Doesn't matter. In this case, this one's a VistaDB database. I have the equipment for the selected manufacturer, and I have the details for the selected item. The inputs and outputs can be found over on the inputs and outputs page, and the display preferences page will control the appearance of the selected shape. Switching back to the main library page, I can also look at and query the community library. This library is generated by other WireCAD users. To view those, select the community library, find the manufacturer of interest, the device, and download that to your local library. We're going to work in our library today though. And the first thing we're going to do is select a device. In this case, here's the 360 Systems Image Server 2000. This is its device data, the stuff you might find in a data sheet. Who makes it? What is it called? How big is it? How much power does it consume? Let's talk about functional block appearance first of all. And to do that, we're going to use the I/O page and we're going to determine which ports we want to select. Now bear in mind, WireCAD supports the idea that you don't have to show all of the ports. So I might come in here and I might select those ports, and I've got some grouping applied right here, which is giving me some odd display, mostly because I'm not sorting on the grouping field. So I'll go ahead and switch to display preferences and I'll turn off grouping. And then I might want to tear the bottom edge of that block to represent to the reader of the document that the port set is incomplete and that they need to look elsewhere for more information about this device. I have a number of different appearances that I can apply to this port selection, and you're free to use whatever it is that you need to present your idea on the page. There's no right or wrong for this. Once you're happy with the display, click Add to Drawing. I want to stop there. We'll call that the basics. When we come back, we'll explore how to add equipment to the library. We'll explore how to add manufacturers and equipment, and we'll look at some of the more advanced features and display properties that are available in the WireCAD 10 equipment library.